Hey guys, Dr. Decks here. Today we are starting to rebuild what we had just torn down. So exciting day. We got all our concrete poured yesterday and we're starting to frame things back up. So if you like what you see today, don't forget to please click that subscribe button and hit the bell icon if you want to be notified when we're putting out new stuff. If you want a really cool Dr. Decks shirt, you can check those out on our merch store. Link is down in the description. And today we are setting up some posts right now. I'm starting to lay out our first ledger board that needs to go up on the house. And we're just gonna get going. So follow along and see how we do. Every 6 inches along this board. Now I'm using Fasten Master ledger locks to install this ledger to the You got that for a second, Oz? Yeah.
So if we can go your way a little.
Okay, now we're good? And then I want one with a wheel on this side.
Good.
All four in one stack. I do have got 8.5 inches though, so I put fasteners at 2 inches and then a little bit more, guys. Okay, whoa. Okay, now let's level it up like we did the last one. I'm getting too old for this, man. See, I've done this so many times, you gotta catch up to me, bro, so that's why you're doing it. Okay. Just hang tight there for a minute. We gotta walk it.
I really hate that.
I know. You're in a safer position than I am. Okay, so we're kind of fighting each other here. See, I need to walk you over to there. Now you gotta push down hard so that Okay. Come down. Okay, stop. Now crank it back up a little. Stop. Perfect. Just leave it there. 1, 2. I need to do a complete layout on the house. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for letting us show you how we boost big beams and big posts and big timber into place. If you like what you saw today, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon when you want to be notified when we're putting out new content. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.